Hello, this tutorial is for families who would like to send their kids to 4-H camp this year and who do not already have a 4-H online profile for their family. So you're probably new to 4-H, and then also you do not plan to join a 4-H club this year. So wa.4honline.com is where you want to be. Click I need to set up a profile. Select your county, the appropriate one for you, then enter your information. So here you'll see we moved into family information. Now you'll just add the rest of the information you need. Click continue. Here is where you will now add your members. You have your family created and you will add your members. So youth or adult, but youth for 4-H camp, and you want to click add short-term member.